What is going on, you guys? Connor Chapman here, and if you guys don't know who I am, I have generated over $630,000 on Shopify. This is my first store which I generated over $400,000, and this is my second store which I generated over $230,000 on Shopify. Now, if you guys want to know specific details about that first store and that second store, I broke that down in previous videos, so just go ahead and check out some of the videos that pop up on the screen here regarding the breakdown of my profit and exactly what I'm selling and stuff like that. This video, what we're going to be talking about is 5 Valentine's Day products that you guys can sell starting this week and starting this weekend that you can work on. Get these products on your store and ready to launch them on Facebook ads. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys want to help out my channel on the algorithm, go ahead and smash the like button right now. I really appreciate it. Go do it right now. All it takes is 2 seconds, and it really helps boost this channel out to more people as a small YouTuber like I am. Thank you guys so much. Let's get right into it. For those of you who don't know when Valentine's Day it is, on February 14th, which means today's the 17th, which means you have plenty of time to take these products and, sell these products online using Facebook ads. So one thing to take note of before I jump into the video is that, Valentine's Day is on the 14th. Chinese New Year Chinese New Year 2020. Just so you guys know about this, Chinese New Year 2020 starts on January 25th and goes till like February 5th or like February 4th. So there's going to be about 2 weeks there where China is going to be shut down. So you need to make sure that you're using either U.S. suppliers or you're buying your product in bulk and shipping it to yourself or your U.S. warehouse, because China will be shut down, so your packages won't go out in that 2-week time frame. That's why I think now if you sell this and market it, it's great. Then you could shut down your ads like end of January, beginning of February to make sure that your customers get the packages, okay? As always, I always check Google Trends. This is the Google Trends for Valentine's Day. I mean, this is crazy cyclical, right? Like, it goes up every single year right around Valentine's Day. As you can see now, it's just starting to, gain traction. So now is the perfect time to get in early on Valentine's Day. Most people won't be thinking about this till February. So now is the perfect time to start selling these products, you guys. And that brings us to our first product, which is this Eternal Rose. Now, I want to show you this product here because this rose product, let's just watch the video. This rose is nice. It's a nice rose in like a case. I think that it would be great for someone to get for their loved ones. Boyfriend, girlfriend type gift is amazing, and it comes in a lot of different colors. So I would honestly put like a couple of these colors on your website. I wouldn't put all of them. I just put a few, but these pictures look great. You can do a great video ad. They already have a great video. Maybe just cut it up and add some images or add some, reviews to it. Add a couple lines of text to it. And this is honestly, like, you can use the video that they have right here and just find some more clips because it's a, supplier provided video, so you don't really have to worry about copyright. But there is an updated version of this product, and that's this one right here. So this is a Mother's Day present, Beauty and the Beast rose. So, this Eternal Rose was a product that sold well 2 years ago, and I actually saw a bunch of people sell it last year. So I'm assuming it's going to do really well this year too. But this is a new one. If we jump back here a little bit, this is a new product that I think is going to do very well because, I mean, it just looks more visually appealing. It has a bow on the top. And, this can work for Mother's Day. It can work for Valentine's Day. It can work just as a gift normally. So you could honestly sell this even after Valentine's Day, which makes this a product that has potential for long-term, a branded product that you could sell. That brings us to our third product, and our third product is going to be this rose flower-shaped red wine glass. Now, it's a very unique product. I saw an ad on this that actually had over 11,000 shares, and they launched it in December. And the reason I like this product is because it's unique. I mean, look at the top of the glass. That's very unique. One concern with this product is shipping, right? Shipping this product, you might run into some issues in terms of packaging. So really, before I would, message the supplier or, look for this product, is make sure that the packaging is good. Make sure that the supplier has amazing packaging and that the glass won't break, because that's a huge issue you might deal with glass-related products. But as long as you know about it and as long as you're aware that there might be some breakage, then you're going to be okay. It's just something to note, and I want to show you guys that. But this is a great product. I honestly don't see many people selling it. It's very unique. I'm sure there's tons of other variations of this product, you guys. It's only $8. I'd sell this for like $29 or $30, and because it's so custom, I think you could do really well with a nice like branded store, something called like Rose Glass or, you know, Rose Cup or whatever it may be. You can find something, you can think of a name and make it branded and make it look really, really fucking good. Okay, now the third product isn't necessarily a Valentine's Day product, right? But this product here, the Ocean Wave Projector, I'll just go ahead and play the video so you guys can see what it is. This product only costs $13, and it puts one of those cool graphics up on the ceiling and up on your wall. This is an easy product, in my opinion, for you to sell to really anybody out there on Facebook. Like, you could get a nice ad. I mean, the video they have here works, but I'd find a higher quality version of it. Honestly, you guys, for this product, I would legitimately go on Amazon, type in the product, find it, buy it for 20 bucks, put a video of it on, like, you know, and literally record your ceiling, and you could have a high quality video, and that's your own custom content. You don't have to worry about copyrighted photo videos on Facebook if you're worried about that, because there is a lot of stuff going around right now about Facebook banning personal profiles due to copyrighted material. So if you're worried about that, this would be an easy product where you could literally buy it and just film your wall or whatever and like put your hand across it and make cool visuals, right? Easy thing to do. Yeah, really just a simple product, different colors. And this is the cool one because this one actually ships from the US. So if you notice, estimated delivery on this is looking like February 6th, which is before February 14th, which is what we want. It also ships from China and Russian Federation. So shipping from the US is great. It can get there by 2/7. That's about, like, you know, 13 days. So 2 weeks shipping. Not bad. Definitely you want it to have under 10 days, obviously, as you start going into, you know, more branded drop shipping. But starting out, you know, 14-day shipping, 13-day shipping is okay. So this is the third product that I recommend you guys start selling. The fourth product I recommend for you guys to start selling is this key unlock bracelet. Now, how it works is one part's a bracelet, the other part's a necklace that's a key, and it unlocks the bracelet. So this is a prime product specifically for drop shipping, because I actually did, the first time I saw this ad was actually on TikTok. It was a TikTok ad, and I saw it once, I saw it twice, saw it 3 times. I was like, that's a pretty interesting product. I haven't seen that been sold before. And if you guys start selling it right now, the estimated delivery on this is going to be before Valentine's Day, which is what you want. It's a really cheap product, only $12. I'd sell this for anywhere in the range of like $30 to $40 just because it is jewelry, and you can get a higher markup for that. So I would sell it around $30 to $40. Let's see the images they have on here. Honestly, the images are not bad. Like, you could use some of these. I generally like to have for my first image a white background photo, so I'd probably use something like this. But I'd honestly like to see it being unlocked. So if there's any photos of it actually, yeah, there's no photos of it actually being unlocked. So I think an easy video would just be, you know, for this product would just be basically a girl with her wrist with the bracelet on, and then the key going into it, and then unlocking it. That's literally all you need, and you could do that like multiple times. You could do like one clip of one girl doing it, another one, another girl, and it'll be like 3 or 4 videos of just it being unlocked multiple times and show how cool it looks. Maybe do a cool background or something like that. Very simple video. You could pay people to do it, or you could do it yourself. So there's really no obstacles there in terms of you selling this. Most people are just going to use these standard images on AliExpress, right? Most people are just going to use these images. And if you just take that little bit of extra work and make your product actually, you know, look good on your website, it's going to go a long way. And, you know, the fifth product is going to be this little, like, best friend jewelry necklace. It looks like it's like a little pendant. You could put it on your jewelry. I'm sure you could wear it as an earring, but I probably wouldn't. I guess you just put it on like a bracelet or a necklace or like a backpack or a little pendant, right? And this is an interesting product because it's not necessarily specifically for Valentine's Day, where, like, you know, a guy would get this for a girl would get this for a guy. This is like a best friends one. So maybe someone who doesn't have a Valentine's, you could sell this to and you could market to. So it's another, like, way of marketing Valentine's Day, of saying, like, get this for your best friend if you don't have a Valentine. Like, that's one kind of way you could market this product that's separate from Valentine's Day. To summarize, I showed you guys the first product, which was this rose product, the Eternal Rose, right? And then I showed you guys the updated version of this product, which you can sell. And these are positioned both for Valentine's Day. Great. Same with this one, is positioned for Valentine's Day. And the fourth product, you can sell this, honestly, make a brand out of it. You could sell it any time of the year. And the bracelet is perfect just because it's an easy product to sell with jewelry. I would honestly make a store and sell this bracelet. If out of all these products, I'd sell this bracelet, and then I'd have this product as an upsell. I'd sell this one with this one as an upsell, and I think that would do really well. Just make sure your store looks great. Don't have more than, you know, 3 colors on your website, and overall it's going to perform well. Before I wrap this video, I did want to talk to you guys about what I've learned after making over $630,000 on Shopify. Now, it wasn't easy. That second screenshot you see right here, that was actually my 5th store that I started, And this screenshot you see right here, that was my first store I started. Now the second, third, and fourth stores, I consider them all to be failures. I'm actually going to be relaunching one of them soon. But all those stores were failures. I lost money on every single one of those stores. On one of those stores, I actually almost got sued because I was selling a copyrighted product or a trademark product, and I was infringing on their trademark, which was totally my fault. The third store was a store that I thought would have done well. It was a branded one product store, and I spent about $1,000 on it and only got like $100 back. And then the fourth store was a store that I tried to start another niche related to my first store. That totally flopped, and I really didn't put enough, money behind it or effort. I put like $200-300, and I created it in about 2 days. So it flopped. But the more of the story, right, is like if I were to stop after the second, third, and fourth failure, I never would have had this fifth Shopify store that I created that's done over, $230,000 in sales just in the matter of like 2 months. So like use that as a piece of advice and motivation to keep going no matter what, because you will go through ups and downs in drop shipping. It's going to happen regardless of what you guys think or not. You're going to go through ups and downs, so you just literally have to keep like powering through it no matter what. So like the last thing I wanted to mention on this video, and the only reason I'm making I don't even know why I'm making this video, but I don't know, I felt like I needed to say this because this person definitely impacted me, and they like really got me started drop shipping. He's one of like the first videos I watched a ton was Chris Waller passed away. Rest in peace to you, Chris. I didn't know you as a friend or anything. I only knew you, through online. You seem like a genuine person. These are like a screenshot of the DMs that this is a screenshot of like the DMs that we sent back and forth. He was a really nice guy. Life's not fair, and like use this as motivation, you guys. Like take every moment you can, and cherish it, because you never know when it's going to be your last. So to you, Chris, I really appreciate the motivation you gave me, man. And fucking sucks, but we're going to be out here carrying on your legacy, and I hope to put out as much good educational content as you did, and I hope to someday pass you and own those nice cars like you did. So just wanted to end the video there. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate you guys watching, and as always, keep your mind right. Peace.